Hi, and welcome to True Country Whitetails. TCW is founded by a close-knit group of guys born locally here in Pennsylvania that spend most of their time hunting whitetail and gobblers throughout the Northeast. We spend countless hours running trail cameras, planting food plots, hanging stands, and studying the behavior habits of the white-tailed deer and the turkeys that you guys love to hunt. Now we're turning it over to you guys. We're going to put you guys in our stands with our work behind you so that you guys can kill that trophy of a lifetime. True Country Whitetails specializes in trophy whitetail hunts, management whitetail hunts, and eastern gobbler hunts. In a perfect world, we'd all live in the Midwest, in the big buck states, and we could all kill giants every year. We, just like you guys, spend 99% of our time hunting right here in the Northeast. With that being said, you can still kill big bucks here close to your home without going to the Midwest, spending countless hours away from the family to go out there in pursuit of the trophy of a lifetime. You guys can follow us around with our hard work, come hunt with us, and we will get you that trophy of a lifetime. The TCW Pro staff has hunted countless states throughout the country. We've had good experiences, we've had bad experiences. That's why we know what we want out of a hunt. That's why we know what you want out of a hunt. We want to make sure that you guys have the experience of a lifetime and enjoy everything about your hunt. Also at True Country Whitetails, we have a piebald and a typical trophy breeding program, using some of the best named genetics in the industry. True Country Whitetails is a full-service outfitter. We offer video services, complete with editing and a DVD to take home to remember your hunt by. We have experience hunting with women, children, and first-time hunters, like this guy.
I hunt with TCW. How about you?